Hello, my name is Jerron Barnes, and this is my software development bugs project. This is my data source for the groups, the subgroups, the assigned teams, and the assigned to employees. This is my data sheet. This is my bug percentage for P0, P1, P3, and P4. Most of the bugs were located into the P3 group, and these are the other groups that pertain bugs. This is my groups for assigned for the different people, employees that had different bugs going on in their different fields. These were all the names. It shows a list of how many bugs that each employee has through group P0 through P4. This was the assigned team bugs for the different departments, for the different teams. It shows a number of bugs that each department has for each of the fields. And this is my dashboard pertaining to all the things I set up between the different bugs, the groups that were assigned different bugs, and different percentage that were displayed between the groups. I feel like throughout this assignment I was able to find different outcomes for all the different groups that were in the project, and it was just a big help really with all the different tools that were provided to be able to set up this dashboard and this whole assignment. So this is my software development project.